Ever wondered if you can make good money online just by using your smartphone? What if I told you there are apps that can turn your idle time into cash, and they're not just gimmicks but genuinely high-paying? Today we're diving into the top 10 legit and tested money-making apps that pay fast and high. Stick around because you don't want to miss out on these fantastic opportunities. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 10. Freecash. Freecash operates on a coin-based system where every 1,000 coins translate to $1 of real-life currency. This versatile app offers multiple ways to earn, including tasks, offer walls, surveys, and a robust referral system. It's known for its daily reward system that incentivizes regular engagement. In Australia, Freecash supports various cash-out options, including PayPal with a minimum withdrawal of $5 and Amazon gift cards starting at $1. Payments are processed swiftly, typically within a day, ensuring that your earnings are available promptly. With a wide range of earning opportunities and a user-friendly interface, Freecash stands out as a reliable choice for anyone looking to earn extra income online. Number 9. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a renowned GPT, get-paid-to app offering diverse earning opportunities, from surveys and games to cashback shopping. In Australia, the app features lucrative offers that can pay between $200 to $300 USD on its offer walls alone. The platform's versatility allows users to accumulate points, known as SB, quickly, with every 1,000 SB equating to $10. The minimum cash out is remarkably low, starting at $1 for Amazon gift cards, and payments are processed within a few hours, ensuring swift access to earnings. Swagbucks also rewards users for referrals and daily activities, making it a popular choice among those seeking reliable and high-paying online earning opportunities. Number 8. GrabPoints. GrabPoints is a user-friendly app that rewards users for completing surveys, offers, and other tasks. It boasts a wide range of surveys available, offering potential earnings of $10 to $20 per day. In Australia, GrabPoints offers cash-outs starting at $1 for PayPal and $2 for Amazon gift cards, with 1,000 GrabPoints equaling $1 USD. The app's straightforward interface and generous payout options make it a favorite among users looking to earn extra income online. Payments are typically processed within 3 days, ensuring that users can access their earnings promptly. With its variety of earning opportunities and reliable payment system, GrabPoints is a solid choice for anyone looking to make money online. Number 7. Rooster Earn. Rooster Earn operates on a credit-based system where users earn credits by completing tasks such as surveys, playing games, and engaging with offer walls. In Australia, the app supports various cash-out options, including PayPal, with a minimum withdrawal of $5. Rooster Earn stands out for its high-paying offers, with some games offering tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of credits. The app also features a daily leaderboard system that rewards top earners with extra credits. Payments are processed within 1 to 3 days, making Rooster Earn a reliable option for those looking to earn money online through a variety of engaging activities. Number 6. JustPlay. JustPlay stands out among money-making apps by rewarding users for playing games. It operates on a loyalty coin system where users earn coins based on their gameplay and task completion. In Australia, JustPlay offers cash-outs starting at $1 for Amazon and gift cards, and $2 for PayPal. The app features a unique loyalty coin meter that converts earned loyalty coins into real money every 3 hours. Certain games within JustPlay offer higher loyalty coin rewards, making strategic gameplay essential for maximizing earnings. With an offer wall system that includes playtime rewards and instant payments to PayPal, JustPlay provides a fun and efficient way for users to earn money by engaging with their favorite mobile games and tasks. Number 5. AttaPoll. AttaPoll is a straightforward and reliable survey app that rewards users for completing surveys on various topics. Operating on a currency-based system, users earn cash directly into their accounts for each survey completed. In Australia, AttaPoll offers flexible cash-out options including gift cards, PayPal, and Revolut, with minimum withdrawals starting at $5 for PayPal. The app is praised for its user-friendly interface and instant payment processing, ensuring that users receive their earnings promptly after cashing out. With a diverse range of surveys available and a reputation for reliability, AttaPoll is a popular choice among users seeking to earn extra income through market research and opinion sharing on their mobile devices. Number 4. Poll Pay. Poll Pay is a straightforward survey app that offers substantial rewards for completing surveys. In Australia, users can choose between Amazon and PayPal as their preferred cash-out options, with minimum withdrawal amounts set at $15 and $15.50 respectively. What sets Poll Pay apart is its instant withdrawal feature, ensuring users receive their earnings within minutes of cashing out. The app's interface is intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and find surveys that match their interests. Known for its reliability and quick payment processing, Poll Pay is a preferred platform for individuals looking to earn money through surveys and share their opinions on various topics. Number 3. Cash Monkey. Cash Monkey is a versatile earning app that rewards users for completing tasks such as surveys, playing games, and engaging with offer walls. In Australia, the app offers cash outs starting at $1 for PayPal, with a straightforward conversion rate where 7,000 coins equal $1 USD. Cash Monkey boasts a wide variety of earning opportunities, including high-paying surveys and lucrative gaming offers. Users can participate in daily leaderboards to earn additional rewards based on their activity levels. With a reputation for prompt payment processing within 1 day, Cash Monkey provides a reliable platform for users seeking to earn money online through a combination of fun and rewarding activities. Number 2. Hey Piggy. Hey Piggy is a survey app that guarantees daily earnings for users in Australia. The app offers a straightforward interface where users can earn $5 worth of Australian currency daily by completing surveys. Cash-out options include PayPal with a $5 minimum and various local gift cards, ensuring flexibility for users. Hey Piggy is known for its reliable payment system, with payments processed within 1 to 3 days after cashing out. The app's focus on regular earnings and user-friendly experience makes it a popular choice among users looking to earn money online through surveys and market research. Number 1. YCents. YCents tops our list as one of the highest-paying survey apps available. In Australia, the app offers surveys that can pay up to $33.50 USD for just 20 minutes of your time. YCents also features a wide range of offer walls with high-paying gaming offers and supports 22 different withdrawal options, including PayPal, Amazon, and Apple gift cards. The minimum withdrawal amounts are $10 for PayPal and $5 for Amazon, with payments processed within 3 days. With its generous payouts and reliable payment system, YCents is an excellent choice for anyone looking to earn significant income online through surveys and online tasks. With these 10 high and fast-paying money-making apps, you can turn your free time into a significant income stream. From surveys to gaming, these apps offer various ways to earn real money quickly and reliably. Start exploring them today and see how much you can earn with just your smartphone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share your experiences or any other high-paying apps you know in the comments below. Happy earning, and see you in the next video.